Hey, before you move on, let me share something cool with you. There's a link in the description, and honestly, you'll probably thank me after you check it out. I've been seeing a lot of people talk about this product, so I decided to try it, and wow, it's actually really good. The performance is smooth, the design feels nice and sturdy, and the best part is how simple it is to use. You don't need any special knowledge at all. What surprised me most is how much better it is than I expected. It really over-delivers in all the best ways. So if you're curious, just click the link